Today we learn about noun in Arabic. Before starting, if you're watching this channel first time, you're most welcome to subscribe our channel. So just like in English, a noun in Arabic is a word that represents a person, place, thing, or idea. However, Arabic nouns have some unique characteristics that set them apart. Let's explore these key features together. One important aspect of Arabic nouns, they have grammatical gender. Unlike English, where gender is mostly associated with living beings, Arabic assigns gender to all nouns. They can be masculine, feminine. It's essential to learn the gender of nouns as it affects the formation of sentences and agreement with other words. Another vital characteristic of Arabic nouns is their ability to be singular or plural. In English, plurals are usually formed by adding s or es at the end of noun. In Arabic, it's a bit more complex. There are specific rules for forming plurals, and they can vary based on the noun's pattern or root letters. Some nouns change internally, while others have unique plural forms altogether. Additionally, Arabic nouns can also have cases, which indicate a rule in a sentence. The three main cases in Arabic are marfu', mansoob, and majroor. These cases help us to identify whether a noun is a subject or direct object. Let's look at some examples to make things clear. We have the noun book, which means kitab in Arabic, and it's a masculine noun. If we want to say the book in Arabic, we need to add al, alif, and lam before the noun, and it will be al-kitab. The book, al-kitab. Similarly, if we want to say books, we change the noun's form to the plural by following the appropriate rules, and it will be kutub. Kutub. Another example of the feminine noun maktaba. Maktaba. It means library. Just like before, we add al, al to make it al-maktaba. And if we want to talk about multiply libraries, we'll apply the plural rules, and it will be maktabat. Maktabat. Finally, I want to emphasize that learning Arabic nouns takes practice and exposure. That's all for today's lesson. I hope you're enjoying these Arabic lessons. أراكم قريبا. See you soon.